What is the future of communication? It is the transition from narrowband communication to broadband communication, and the ultimate interconnection with AI, video, IoT, sensors, etc. to form a smart communication linkage system. iConvNet provides infinite possibilities for the sensory extension of people and organizations. Let the mission-critical, business-critical, and manufacturing-critical become a collection of rapid response, significantly improving communication efficiency and work effectiveness. Traffic accidents are unpredictable, often resulting in serious injuries and property damage. iConvNet facilitates multi-departmental linkage, empowering emergency response efforts. When the nearby traffic police arrived at the scene in the first place, the body-worn camera they wear will transmit the scene to the iConvNet console, helping the emergency command team to quickly target the accident point and send a drone to detect the location while accessing the surrounding road's AI camera. At this time, the multi-screen shows the scene in all directions on the dispatcher. Help commanders to study and judge the situation at the scene accurately. Organize first aid, fire, and other related departments to rush to the scene. As the crash caused the surrounding roads to be very congested, the command dispatched traffic police to divert the surrounding vehicles at the same time, through the map to calculate the best route to reach the scene. The ambulance arrives on the scene and quickly transports the injured to the hospital. On-site physicians can consult remotely with specialists via iConvNet to ensure smooth pre-operative preparation. On the other hand, the accident site began to catch fire due to a fuel leak, and the fire truck linked by iConvNet arrived at the scene to quickly put out the fire. iConvNet's linkage minimized the damage of a catastrophic accident. Traditional walkie-talkies and cell phones cannot meet the communication needs of diversified business scenarios. iConvNet makes it possible to add value to services. When you take a trip, from the moment you enter the airport, you will enjoy the convenience and security brought by iConvNet. When performing facial recognition at the airport entrance, your identity information will be compared with the police database to ensure the safety of each passenger's itinerary. Upon the arrival of your flight at your destination, the hotel you booked will provide a pickup service. The real-time location of the vehicle will be uploaded to the hotel dispatch console. Before you arrive at your hotel, your needs are sent to the relevant groups via iConvNet. Your needs will be sent to the relevant groups to ensure you receive personalized service. When you go shopping at the supermarket, you are in an environment protected by security and AI surveillance. With iConvNet integrated with OnVIF video system, unexpected situations can dispatch security to protect the shopping experience of customers. After watching a football match, you find valuables missing from your person. At this time, you can ask the nearby staff for help. The cloud algorithm linked by iConvNet will automatically search through monitoring. Dispatchers can also review surveillance logs to help you retrieve lost items. The integration of iConvNet links various business scenarios, empowering value enhancement. Rough manufacturing can no longer meet the needs of lean management. From energy exploration and extraction and raw material transportation to manufacturing, iConvNet helps companies achieve cost reduction and efficiency. In energy exploration, the massive amount of data generated by exploration sensors is analyzed and processed into a more intuitive form, helping managers to make better decisions. If a person falls down due to oil and gas leakage, the terminal will trigger a fall alarm. iConvNet will automatically identify the location of the terminal and dispatch the security department to deal with it in time to reduce the loss of people and property. When oil is being transported, the mobile radio can share real-time information on the way with iConvNet and synchronize vehicle positioning to ensure asset safety. If the vehicle is stationary for longer than the threshold, the terminal will trigger a stationary alarm. iConvNet turns on vehicle monitoring, and the dispatcher coordinates with the driver to handle unexpected breakdowns. When the factory is in production, administrators can check the real-time location and work status of employees through iConvNet indoor positioning and video scheduling functions to ensure that employees are on duty. iConvNet ensures instant communication and efficient production between departments through video, map, and message scheduling functions. Connected, intelligent, efficient, secure,